Hi guys, hope you guys are okay. You and your family. I miss you guys. Okay, now today, this week, we're gonna begin with this new book, the geometry. So today we're gonna be doing the whole week. You guys remember that you guys are been working with this with Mr. Hernandez, so we have to do it again. It is like to refresh the memory. But remember, you guys, we are being working on this before we go on vacations. And we're gonna be working on this the whole week and probably next week. Okay, just to refresh the memory of what we did before we leave. So today is gonna be, well, you guys already do this one. I posted yesterday, last night. But guys, please read the instructions and read the story, okay? On this one, Kurt plans ahead. Kurt need to buy food to make breakfast and lunch this week. He need oranges, ham, and milk. First, he got oranges. What food did Kurt got next? Okay, he need oranges, ham, and milk. Okay, he got oranges first. Remember, he has to enter from over here and then he has to go straight to the oranges. So he got the oranges on the produce, and then remember the dairy, milk, jelly, ham, frozen foods, cereal, and bakery. So you need to find out what he got next. We have to do it differently because you cannot be allowed to draw lines. So you just have to answer the questions. It's gonna be multiple choice on all of them. It's gonna be only 5 questions for each of them. You're gonna have 5 problems for the whole week. And guys, remember, we're gonna go live, me and Mr. Lucero. He's gonna do it tomorrow. I'm gonna do it on Wednesday at 10:30. He's gonna do it at the same time, but he's gonna do it for reading and writing. Okay, I'm gonna do it for math. Please, I need to see you guys. Okay, see you on Wednesday, and please read the instructions, read the questions that I put it to you. There are easy ones, like I told you. There are multiple choice, only 2 choices, so you have to choose from one or the other. Okay, so read well, remember the entrance, and then you choose from where you're gonna grab the products on this little map over here, as we do on the class before. Remember, like you do it with Mr. Hernandez. So just keep it working, do your work, and I hope we can see you soon, guys. Okay, take care and see you on Wednesday on the live. Bye.